Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how you can do a faceless affiliate marketing. You can see at the bottom there is a faceless affiliate marketing guide. If you are new to the channel, I recommend you to start from part 1, 2, 3, etc. And of course you can subscribe. Today in this video I will show you a secret way how to promote ClickBank offers. It's a less known method, so I think it can open your mind to a lot of opportunities how to promote products. Okay, so the secret method to promote ClickBank offers will be we will drive traffic. For example, we will use Pinterest, but of course you can use a lot of other options for traffic. We will direct the traffic to content on other sites. For example, posts that we find in blogs in the same niche from our product. In the post we will add a call to action that will direct to the offer page. We can also add a bridge page from the post to the offer page, but in this example I will add a link that will direct to the ClickBank offer page or the landing page. The tool that we use is called Sniply. Of course I will add a link in the description if you want to test it. You can see at Sniply website that you can add your call to action to any page. For example, if this is a blog post in other website, they add a feature like a chat or ads that attract the user to click and get more information or other call to action like get more info, click here or more options that we like that will drive the traffic outside from the blog to our offer page. We will start by choosing the product to promote. I will go to ClickBank and search for travel. ClickBank don't have a lot of offers in the travel niche, but this is just an example. I will click for search. I will try to promote these offers. The gravity is not high, but again, this is just an example. I will look on the landing page of the offer. The product is how to find cheapest flight. I think the audience are people that planning a trip and looking for a way to travel on a budget. They offer the ultimate guide to travel hacking cheap flights. So I went to Google and find this blog. This is the Travel the World for Cheap. You can see that there are a lot of posts that explain how to travel for cheap. And this is excellent for us. I will pick this post, Cheap Travel Hacks, How to See the World on a Budget. I will click on it, and if we will manage to add our call to action from this blog post to our ClickBank offers, we have a lot of chance to have a sale. In Pinterest we will start with the research. I will type cheap flights, and we can see more searches, like cheap flights how to find, or cheap flights hacks. This is perfect for us. I will click on it. I will look at this pin, the real secret to book the cheapest flight every time. I will look at the title, how to find cheap flights in 12 easy steps, and I will click on the URL. This is another great blog post for us to promote inside. We can find more pins in the same subject, like this one, or even this one. I will use Canva in order to design the pins. I will search for Pinterest pin templates and click on free, and then I will choose one template in order to use it. I will use this template, and I will go to Pexels in order to find an image. In Pexels I type travel flight, and I think this image is perfect for us. I will download it, and I will drag it to the pin. This is just an example. I will use this pin. I will download it. In Pinterest I will click on create, and create pin. I will drag the image. I will add the title. And I will go to Jasper AI in order to write the description. In Jasper I will click on template, then social media, and here I will choose Pinterest pin title and description. I will write the title and keywords, and then I will click on generate. Now we have 3 options for description. I will pick one of them and paste it inside Pinterest. And now we will go to Sniply in order to have the destination link. After we register to Sniply, you can use the link in the description. We will go to the dashboard. Here I will focus on the new call to action. I will click on it. You can see at the bottom how the overlay area will look. There is an area for a picture. There is a title, the name of our profile. We can add a message, and there is a button, like a click here. We can customize the view. When we click on customization, we have a lot of options. We can choose the theme. This is the social. If we want, we can change it to full width. It will look something like that. There is the candy. It has round corners. And there is a bin. the bin is more rounded. I will choose the regular one, the social. In the brand, I will choose the main profile. In the type, I will choose button. Here we can type a message. This is just an example for message. Get my guide, how to find the cheapest flight available. For this example, I will leave the button text as click here, and then I will click on continue and finish CTA. Now I will click create a link. I will copy the URL of the blog post and paste it here. For the button URL, I will go to ClickBank. I will click on promote and I will paste the URL that I will get. Then I will click on snip. And now Snip will give us a URL that we can use. If I will paste the URL in the browser, it will bring us to the blog post. But now we will have like a pop-up with our call to action. And if the user will click on the button, it will bring him to the offer page of ClickBank. The last step is to add in Pinterest the Sniply URL, so the user will see our pins and click on it, and then it directs them to the blog post with our call to action button that will bring him to the offer in ClickBank. That's all for today's video. I recommend you to watch the Pinterest affiliate marketing video and the Pinterest affiliate marketing with ClickBank video that have a lot of information how to promote with Pinterest and with ClickBank. I will add a link to Sniply in the description, and of course I recommend you to subscribe. That's all. Thanks.